Oh, morning.
Oh my God, yeah. It is so crisp. Today is going to be a very good day. You see, I'm on my way to my friend Gareth's place, and what we're going to do is to swap out all of the H&R coilovers that are currently on fill and have been on fill for 7 years, and we're going to replace them with a brand new set of BC Racing coilovers. Currently, the H&R's little bit wallowy on track. I really feel that it's starting to understeer. Also, we're going to be putting a Dave Fab rear jacking bar, which tucks in just underneath the rear bumper, and that means that we won't need to jack Phil up anymore on the diff. Phil is now MOT'd, taxed and insured, and I can't tell you how good it feels to be back on a public road, enjoying Phil and just seeing everyone smile. So everyone just looks at Phil and they're like, wow, that's like a £200,000 supercar. Yeah, you're damn right. If you are new to the channel, please do me a favor, click subscribe, because the more subscribers I have, the more likely it is that I can do more videos like this. And if it's not already abundantly clear, I bloody love doing YouTube. Click subscribe, it will do me a massive favor. Right, so I've just arrived at Gareth's house, and I think now is a very opportune moment for me to tell you about this week's video sponsor, Quadlock. Quadlock offers the strongest, most secure and easiest to use mounts money can buy. They're so good, in fact, I've been using them for well over a year on all my cars, bikes and even at home. And from my experience, they're the only phone mount you'll ever need. Simply twist and hey presto, your phone is locked in and ready for anything you can throw at it. What's more, there are loads of accessories to choose from, including vibration dampeners for motorbikes, wireless charging heads, lever mounts and more. So if you want to get proper phone mounts for proper bikes and cars, then look no further. And as a thank you to you for supporting the channel, if you use the code AutoAlex at checkout, you get 10% off. Okay, and here we are back on the driveway of Broken Dreams. The reason I say Broken Dreams is because, what's this, Gareth?
That is a charge cable for an I-Pace, and it's an electric car, so I don't have to pay for fuel.
Traitor.
Shut up.
Anyway, we're here with Phil. First things first, this is the rear jacking bar that tucks in nicely behind the bumper, so we're going to be installing that. That means we don't need to jack Phil up on the diff anymore, which is a good thing. And then we've got the BC Racing coilovers. Do you want to do the honours? You like unboxing stuff,
I do like unboxing stuff. Oh, free t-shirt, that's mine.
Oh, there's another one there as well.
That's mine as well. These are lovely.
Oh, they do look really good. And look, they're adjustable. Let's go full soft. We're used to that, aren't we?
I'm going to go full hard because I'm feeling that way today.
Should we get the rear bar on, the jacking bar on, and then we can use it and we can jack Phil up and then we can do the axle stands at the back?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
What is that on your seat?
On my seat?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Funny story. These seats, I've had them for a few years. They are not good for my back. They're no good. There is no lumbar support. So I have to have my trusty cushion. I think it's from my mum a few years ago. It just offers me that lower back support that a certain man needs at a certain age. Not Gareth's age, you'd be in a wheelchair.
Let me give you your undercar mat. Here we go. What would you give if I just lifted the handbrake?
The rear jacking bar actually replaces this here, so it will just direct replacement for that. You're taking up all the room.
I told you we should have jacked this car
Yeah,
up.
but we have a whole jacking bar, that's the whole point.
Yeah, but
I want to make use of it today.
I have minimal space because you're taking it all up. Why? Why? Like, there's no ratchet involved in this.
We're bringing it back.
Why am I using it?
Oh no, why are you using it?
Ow.
Really hard work. Do you ever feel we've gone backwards?
Every time I see you and you look more and more haggard, I always think we've all gone a step backwards. This is real. We're bringing it back. Hello. Pay people to do this. This is why people do this as a job. Actually, no, Dan, it's quite good fun, isn't it? Only when the sun is shining. The weather is great, make me wanna feel
No, we're not having this.
the dancing shit. To the rescue, here I am, want you to know now, you're a
Now we can't use this. You
There we go.
I'm done. I'm out. I win.
We've got the rear jacking bar now installed. It is 4 bolts on each side, very easy to do. 20 minutes, you'll have it done. Wow! Look at that. That is cool.
I like the detail. That is awesome.
Also, if Gareth says he likes something, you know it's very good because you are the most critical person I know.
I'm not that bad.
You're so bad, and you're getting worse in your old age.
Really?
Yeah.
I just like whinging about things that aren't done properly.
Yeah. But you're happy
Like
with
this car.
But you're happy with this.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Okay,
It's
good.
Right, done? Yeah?
Yeah.
Do we need axle stands? And yeah.
What happened to just having an axle stand be an axle stand where you had a piece of metal and a tube, and then you had another hardened tube that just goes through it? Instead of this is
Well,
just...
see, the good thing about this one, if you're under the car and you knock it with some force, the car squashes you. Oh!
I nearly squashed my thumb. Look how dangerous they are.
That is the...
You nearly got
That's
crushed.
the difference between life and squash.
Yeah. That nearly killed me. Anyway, shall we? Okay, so the Dayfab rear jacking bar is on. The wheels are off, and now we're going to start unbolting the 7-year-old H&R coilovers that are currently in fill.
But did we pay ourselves back by copper greasing everything?
This was 7 years ago.
I think we may
different,
have.
Different times.
I think we may have. So these should come off like butter on toast. That's a thing, right? That's a saying. That's a saying, Rory!
Right, okay, so I'm going to be the top, and you're going to be the bottom.
Yeah,
Cool.
we can tag team this car.
Standard.
Oh! Ah! I
good?
paid myself back.
Does it feel...
That's a thing.
Does
That
it
is a
feel
thing.
loosey-goosey?
It feels loosey-goosey, and it feels like we properly did this proper. We need gunny.
No, we're keeping it real.
Are we?
Yeah.
We're going back to our roots.
Yeah, back to driveway stuff. Back to basic bitch builds. And inspiring people to now have to spend about £4,000 on a Mark 1 MX-5. I paid £1,150 for fill about 7 or 8 years ago. How times have changed.
Look at that.
Wow. Wow.
Still got grease on it. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. What's that thing where you rub your stomach and pat your head? That's how proud of self I am. I can't even speak and do this. That's 3 things at once I can't do. So there's a hell of a lot of tension on this, and even when we're standing on it, we can't actually pull the strut out. So we're thinking that it's the anti-roll bar that's just holding the whole unit together. So we're gonna loosen that off, and then hopefully it should drop down and we can just slip out the strut.
Oh, that is so rusted already.
I know. I'm also worried because this is the one we snapped off, if you remember.
I remember.
Do you remember snapping it?
Yeah. Did we ever fix it?
No, we did not. Got way more wiggle.
Okay, right, let's hope this works. Ready? Yep.
That's all I've got.
Oh!
Awesome. Okay.
There we go.
That was easy.
So, shall we quickly compare? Do you want to hold that? And here we have.
Fully adjustable.
Oh, and it just looks good, doesn't it?
It does.
Oh.
The anodized aluminium on the top looks so much nicer than the steel.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Yeah, I like it.
I'm just most excited about this adjustability here. Gonna be so good. Right, shall we just chuck them in?
Should we dial them in hard as?
Yeah, let's go full hard
Yeah.
and then go for a drive.
Bumps all over the street.
Full hard. It's been years since I've been full hard. Cut.
It's really hot. If there was a paddling pool, I'd be in it.
Down. Jesus. Oh, moment of truth. Oh my
Oh, morning.
Jesus, where
Holy
we go?
moly, where's
where
this car going?
Oh!
I think.
That's too low. You're right.
They've nailed it.
Oh,
You
it looks
said I want
good.
this lower.
This is before I found out that it was damaging the bloody tyres.
I think that's really good.
It does look good. Oh my God. Shall we just go full soft and then see if you can actually notice more play? Full soft? Full hard?
Full hard. Right, let's go for a little drive.
Oh my
Full
God.
hard. And the roads around here are quite disgusting. That's why most people have Land Rovers. So,
Well, no, most people have Land Rovers because JLR is about 10 minutes away and that's the only job available to everyone in this area,
and
apparently.
Tesco.
And Tesco, yeah.
Could you full lock? I just
No,
wanna see if
probably
it is-
not.
There's a lot of things here that it could be eating, including this bit of rusty metal that I'm fingering. Oh, is that supposed to happen?
Yeah, that's no good.
Wow.
We have to go up. 15 mil and trim.
So we need a grinder as well. And
Oh, I've got it. I've got the app.
very good.
Oh,
So we've had a quick check of the base settings and they are 27 mils. And we're measuring from the bottom of this to the top of this collar. And so we're gonna add on 15 mils. Nibble, where's Alex? Where's Alex? Where's Alex? Come on, Nipples! Oh, Nibble! Nibble, jump, Nibble, jump, 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 jump. Yeah! Oh, Nibble! Oh, Nibble! Watch this, Rory.
Yeah.
Nibble, come here. Nibble, stay. Bang! Bang!
oh, that was good. Right, car going down.
Yeah.
3, 2. Oh.
Oh, it's too high now.
Wait, give it a f***ing chance, man.
Now for the fronts.
Right, so Phil is looking really good now. Shall we now go test him out?
Damn right,
Let's go for a drive. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That is firm, isn't it?
It's well on.
Wow.
How does that feel? Crisp.
Yeah.
It's not as crashy as I thought it would be.
No, and that is impressive considering that I think there's 25, 30 different adjustability settings. Oh my God,
Yeah.
it is so crisp. Hell, yeah, that is infinitely better.
This is going to be amazing on track.
Oh, it's going to be so good. It's good, isn't it? Right, shall we pull in somewhere and then do everything to full soft?
Yeah,
See
let's
what that
take it.
feels
Let's
like.
take a left here.
Yeah.
Oh, morning.
We need to grind that bit out.
You don't say.
There we go. Done. Oh, I feel like I'm just floating on a carpet, magic carpet. There's a wee bit more roll, obviously,
Yeah.
but it still feels good.
This is the same road we've just been down,
Yeah.
and it feels very livable.
I think I might have to keep it in full soft for a while.
It's still
Right.
sporty,
Yeah.
but not to the extent where you're like, I've spilled my water again.
It literally takes like a minute to go full hard, full soft. Very good, very happy.
I am really impressed. They're really good.
And it's a good, easy, cleanish install.
Yeah.
And
Really good.
completely transforms the car. Well done, mate.
Oh, give me a hug, mate. Oh, no, you can't hitch out of there.
I'm strapped in, mate. Right then, so there you have it. Phil is not only looking good, but feeling so much better as well now. The BT Racing coilovers are in and the car handles amazingly. Before I go, just one quick thing. Quadlock also do these waterproof rain ponchos. If you live in the UK like me, you probably need one of those. But today is a beautiful day, so I don't need to bother. Anyway, with that, have a great weekend and I'll see you next time. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.
I didn't actually expect you to move backwards.
Yeah, very good. But I mean, look, it's waterproof.
Oh, Jesus, wet!
See you soon. My penis is soaked. Transition.